Let's learn how to see Snapchat password if you forgot it. Now if you wanted to log into your Snapchat account, but you don't necessarily remember what the password is, I'm going to walk you through various steps to be able to find that. First, let's open Snapchat app on your device. Then let's tap on little text where is written login. Now the first and easiest thing that we can do is to enter a password with autofills. You will do that by tapping on password bar and click on little eye icon to see what you write. Next, in the top of your keyboard you can see your nickname and password that your phone has memorized, then click on it and you will be logged in. But if that doesn't work, like in my case, I will show you second method. The second method is to click on Forgot Your Password. That will open a menu on you need to choose how you want to reset your password. I'm going to choose to Snapchat send me code on phone number. On next menu you need to select your country, but Snapchat automatically select your country, and enter your phone number. Next, Snapchat will send you a code and you need to enter that code, then Snapchat will send you to set a new password, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.